Right, the customer come with a Nissan Versa, and we could hear the song of the bearing, and we could see the play. Right, so we go and take down the drum to assess the type of bearing it's using. Right, so we take off the cap with the cap here. Right, and you can see it inside there. Right, so you have to take out this nut, and then we can get the drum off. Right, so we take off the bearing, and we can see the cage, how the cage damage. So we had to change this. Right, so the customer had to go and get the bearing. We can't do nothing today because today was just for assessment. Right, so next time the customer come back, we will change all the bearing and thing. Right, so we press out the old bearing, we press in the new one. Right, old one, new one inside. Had to put back in the lock. This clip here, and then put it back in the car. We good to go, right? All the ABS sensors, no damage, so we good to go. Alright, the clip inside. Alright. Alright, we go and put it on the car there. And we good to go. Alright, so we're going and put on the arm drum with the bearing back on the axle there. Right. Right, we press it in. We're good to go. Right, and you're seeing the difference already with the compared to the one before. Right. Put back on the nut, torque it to spec. 138 foot-pounds, and then put back on the wheels and we good to go. Torque down to spec. We running smooth like oil, no vibration, no shaking. Right, we torque down to 138 foot-pounds. That is what the service manual say, and then we put it on the nuts. But we're gonna put back on the wheel and then do a service on the airflow sensor, and yeah, we out there. Put back on this cap here. Alright, tap on that and we good there. So the tire on, right, no shaking, and we spinning like oil. So we good to go. Right, bearing press out, press in, change, torque to spec, we good.